Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with another useful video where I will show you how you can do a secret chat on Telegram. So if you want to have a secret chat with any of your contacts on Telegram, you can do that very easily, and I will show you how you can do that in today's video. So make sure you watch it till the end, and now let's get started. First of all, you just have to open the Telegram app, and then you have to head to the profile, to the contact with whom you want to have a secret chat on Telegram. Once you open the chat, once you do that, you simply have to tap on their profile name at the top, and then you have to tap the three dots given in the top right corner. Now here you will see the start secret chat option, and as soon as I will press that option, this will not record the screen as this is a secret chat, and Telegram does not allow recording it, taking screenshots or forwarding the secret chat messages. So that's how you can start a secret chat on Telegram, and once you press this option, the other person will receive a notification that you want to have a secret chat with them on Telegram, and once they come online, you both will be able to have a secret conversation on Telegram. And once you exit that chat, the messages will get automatically deleted on the spot. Alright, they will not get stored on Telegram servers. You cannot take the screenshots, you cannot do the screen recording. Even if I will press this option, you will see a blank screen. So now I have started the secret chat, but it will show you a blank screen because you cannot take screenshots and screen recordings of a secret chat on Telegram. So that's how you can use this feature on Telegram with any of your contacts. And that was all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. If you have any doubts, issues, queries or feedback related to any of my videos, do let me know in the comment section down below, and for now I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.